Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project online furniture. First let us extract the project. We can see that there is one folder is created, online furniture. So it includes 3 zipped files. Let us extract all the 3 zipped files, that is database backup, project documentation and source code. We can see the file is extracting. And now you can see there are 3 folders. One is database backup, which includes the SQL file, which is the database, and project document includes all the reports which are required for the project, and source code, this includes the code, that is a PHP code which is required to execute the project. Now let us copy this source code and let us paste this in C drive inside XAMPP folder in the htdocs folder. So let us paste it here, and you can see that the file is copied and pasted here, and you can see all the PHP files are present here. Now let us copy the name of the folder. Now let's start the XAMPP control panel and let's start Apache and MySQL server. So you can see Apache and MySQL server is started and it's running. Now let us open the browser, and in the browser type localhost / and copy the source code name which you have copied earlier. So this is, you can see there is some error that has failed to connect to MySQL server. That is because we have not imported the database. So to import the database, type localhost / php myadmin. So you can see a server which is the MySQL server which we are using here, and clicking on databases, let us create the database. Let us give the name of the database and click on create. Now you can see the database is created and you have to import the table now. To import the table, click on import and click on choose file. In the online furniture folder in the database backup, you have the SQL file, and copy the file and click on go. Remember, the name of the file and the database name must be same. So this must take some time. Now you can see it is completed, and you can see all the tables, that is there are 13 tables in this database, and clicking on refresh you can see there is no error in the project and the project is working now. So this is the online furniture project where the suppliers as well as the customers can use this project. So here the customers can purchase the furnitures, and admin is the one who manages the entire website here. So let us log in as the admin. Under the employee panel we can log in as the admin. So once the admin logs in, the employee account is available where the admin can view the account details, that is all the details of the website can be viewed by the admin. Under profile, in my profile, here the admin can make changes to their profile details, and in change password admin can change their password. Under add employee, so employees are those who work for this web page, and admin has the right to add the other employees. To add the employee's name, the employee's login ID and the password of the employee must be entered. And the status must be selected as active, and on clicking on submit, the employee's record will be added to the database, and this can be viewed by the admin under view employee. So under view employee, all the employees who are working in the web page can be viewed by the admin here. In the seller panel, there is add seller and view seller option. In the add seller, here the admin can add the sellers. So admin can add the sellers, as well the sellers can register by themselves. To add the sellers are those who supply the furnitures to the website and they are connected to the web page. Here the company's logo, company's name must be entered, and the address and description about the company is mentioned. Then the city, that is in which city the company is located, and the address, that is where the company is located, and the pin code of that particular location must be entered, and in status must be selected as active. Under view seller, here the admin can view the various sellers and admin has the option to edit or delete their details. Under furniture, in add furniture, so here the admin can add the furnitures. To add the furnitures, admin must select the furniture type and the supplier, that is from which company the furniture is brought, and the title, that is the information about the furniture, that is what is the name of that furniture. Or though the furniture type is chosen, there must be some other specifications about the furniture, so that must be mentioned here, and what is the cost of that particular furniture and what are the specifications. So all these details must be entered. So these details will make the customer know more about the furnitures. So under installation demo, here whether the installation demo is available or not available, that must be mentioned, and what is the warranty of the product must be mentioned, and the status must be selected as active. And you can see the field should contain only alphabets and numbers. This is the validation. So once the furniture is added, click on view furniture to view the different furnitures available. Here the admin can upload the images to the furnitures added. To upload the images, the admin must click here to upload image, and then the admin must choose the image of the product and then can give the description about the product. Then status must be selected as active, and then the furniture image will be inserted to the database, so we can view the furniture image here. The admin can delete the images also. Under add stock, here the admin can add the stocks which are sold by mentioning the supplier name, then the bill number and the purchase date, that is on which date the item is purchased from the supplier, that must be mentioned, and what is the cost of the product and what is the quantity purchased must be added to the database. So you can see how it is added. And on clicking on view stock, to view the stocks, click on view stock, and here the admin can view the stocks available. In the settings panel, under add furniture type, so here the admin can add the different types of furniture such as beds, sofa sets, dining tables, cupboards, wardrobes. So these are different furnitures available. So here the admin can add the furniture types and must give the icon for the furniture type, then the description must be given. Once the status is selected as active, it can be viewed under view furniture types, and the admin has the action to edit or delete these details. In offer, in settings under tax, here the taxes can be added. That is, there are different taxes, GSTs, SGSTs. So there are different taxes, and these must be added, and what is the percentage of tax for their website, that also must be mentioned. Then under view tax, the different taxes can be viewed here. Under offer, in add offer, here the admin can add the offers for different furnitures, and to add the offers, the admin must know the supplier's details and what is the percentage of the offer must be mentioned, and this can be viewed in view offer, and this can be deleted or edited by the admin. Under reports, in customer report, here the different customers can be viewed by the admin. And under purchase report, the furnitures purchased by different customers can be viewed here. Under view feedbacks, the feedbacks from the various customers can be viewed. So now let us log out from the admin. Know about the admin panel. Now let us know about the suppliers. The suppliers must register, and this is the supplier registration panel, where the supplier must mention their name, the company logo, then the login ID and password must be mentioned. The suppliers must mention details about their company, and the address of their company is necessary, and the city and pin code, that is in which location the company is located, that must be entered. On clicking on submit, the supplier will be registered successfully. There is supplier login panel, where the supplier can log in to the portal. To log in, he must mention the login ID and the password. And clicking on login, the supplier can log in, but we can see here invalid login credentials. That is because once the supplier registers, the admin must confirm the supplier. So now let us log in as the admin, and let us see the supplier status. So under seller, in view seller, we can see the customer who registered, and you can see the status is pending. Now we must make the status as active. Only then the supplier can register, or the supplier can log in. So now let us log in as the supplier. Now the admin has accepted the supplier's account, so the supplier can log in. Now under my profile, here the supplier can make changes to their profile details, and in change password they can change their password. In furniture, under add furniture, so not only the admin, the suppliers can add the furnitures which are available to them. So here the sofa set, under title they must choose the name of the product, and the description must be selected, and the cost of the product must be mentioned, and the specifications must be mentioned. And what is the warranty and whether the installation demo is available. On clicking on submit, the furniture record is inserted, and in view furniture, here we can see the supplier can view only the furnitures added by them. That is, only the furnitures available in their company, only that can be viewed by the supplier. But the admin can view the furnitures from all the suppliers who are registered. And here again the supplier must upload the image. It is same as how we saw in the admin. So here we can see that the image is added, and this can be deleted by the supplier. And under customized orders, so here the supplier can view the customized orders from various customers. And on clicking on read more, the supplier can view the customized order in detail and what is the cost plan of the customer can be viewed, that is what is the amount the customer is willing to pay can be viewed, and what is the budget of the particular supplier. So at what cost he can provide the furniture offered by the customer, that can be added here in enter your budget. So here the title must be mentioned, the description must be mentioned, and what is the budget, that is at what cost, in what cost the supplier can fulfill the offer of the customer. So here the supplier says we can provide you the product as required by you at affordable price, and the budget is now 50,000 and number of days is 10, and clicking on submit, the record will be inserted and this can be viewed by the customer. And you can see the customer also is ready to pay 50,000 for the item, and this particular supplier is ready to do it in 50,000 and the quantity required is 50, so for one product the customer pays 50,000. So let us log out from supplier. So we saw about the admin as well as the supplier. Now let us register as the customer. The customer must register to make any order, or to log in also the customer must register before. The customer must register using their name, the email ID, the password and the confirm password and their mobile number. So these are the minimum things which are required to register. So once the customer registers, they can log in using their login ID and the password. So login ID is their email ID and the password which they provided at the time of registration, that must be entered. So once the customer logs in, he has got profile. Under my profile, the customer can make changes to their profile and they can enter their address details. So they must enter the address, city, state, contact number and the PIN code, and click on update profile will update the customer's profile, and in change password they can change their password if they wish to change. In orders, under pending orders and delivered orders, they can view the orders if they have made any order, and under furniture here they can choose the different furnitures and they can make the order. So they can view the furniture in detail, they can view the cost of the furniture and what is the items available, and on clicking on add to cart the item will be added to the cart. And again if they wish to buy other items, they can buy the other items. They can view the item in detail by clicking on the item, and they can view the discount also, and clicking on add to cart the product will be added to the cart. Clicking on view cart, the customers can view the products added by them to the cart and they can view the subtotal. They must make the payment options to make the order. To make the payment option, they must choose the payment type, then the card holder name, card number, expiry date and the CVV number. On entering all the details, on clicking on make payment, the bill will be provided, that is the bill receipt will be provided. We can see the delivery status is pending because the item is not delivered. The customer has ordered the item but the item is not delivered. Under pending orders, we saw the order is pending, the delivery status is pending. Let us see the customized order. So add customized order. The customized order means the customer is asking for the furniture which he wants it to be the way he asks. So here you can see the customer is uploading an image and the customer wants the product as it is in the image, and he is asking for the product with the details. So here the customer is asking for a drawer which is a metal drawer, and the detailed requirements can be mentioned. And what is the budget? That is, what is the amount customer is ready to pay for that particular product, and they can include any note. So in the note they can include if the seller is ready to give the product in the budget what they have mentioned, or if the product is as same as what they have said, then they will accept the product. So the customer can give any specification in the note. So here the customer is saying affordable to my budget is preferable. So here the customer wants the product in the budget mentioned by them. And what is the quantity? So how many product he needs? So here they mentioned they need 3 products. 3 items are required as mentioned in the image. That is, a metal drawer is required with 3 chambers. On clicking on submit, the customized order of the customer is sent to the various customers. And in view customized orders, here they can view the orders, customized order made by them. And here on clicking on read more, if any supplier replies for this, they can be viewed. Under customized order, in case if any order is confirmed, it can be viewed here. Let's log out from the customer now. Now let us log in as the admin. That is because only the employees can process the orders made by the customers. The customer has made the order but the delivery status is pending. Now the admin or the employee must process the order made by the customer. So under pending orders, we can view the order made by the customer and we can see the delivery status is pending. Now on clicking on view, here the admin can view the billing details with the bill receipt, and there is a delivery status option where there are 3 options under process, under transit and delivered. So here on clicking on delivered, the status will be updated as delivered to the customer as well as the admin. So we can see on refreshing, under pending orders there is no order of that particular customer, and on clicking on delivered orders, now on searching the name of that particular customer, we can see the order status is delivered now. And on clicking on view, we can see the update delivery status is as delivered. So now let us log out from the admin and let us log in as the customer. So let us log in as the customer and let us see whether the item is delivered to the customer. So the customer is logged in now. Under orders, in pending orders, we can see that there is no pending orders now. That is because the order is delivered now. We can see the order status is delivered. Now let us log in as the customer itself, but another customer who has done the customized order before itself. So we can view the customized order under view customized order. So we can view that this is a customized order made by the customer, and these are the replies from different suppliers. That is, different sellers has replied. One seller has said 1 lakh, one seller has said the budget 75,000, and the last seller which we did last time said 50,000, which is the amount set by the customer itself. So the customer has the choices to accept any of the orders. On clicking on accept, the order will be confirmed and they must make the payment to confirm the order. So we can see that for one order the customer must pay 50,000 and the customer has asked for 50 products. So to make the payment, they must choose the type of payment and the cardholder name, card number and all the other details. Once the payment is made, a receipt is available and we can see the delivery status is pending. Under confirmed order, you can see that there are different suppliers who have confirmed orders. We can see their details here. But the customer has the option to choose whoever they wish to choose. Under pending orders, now we can see the order is pending, which was made just now. And on clicking on, we can see the total cost of the 50 products. So you can see the product, for one product costs 50,000 and 50 products are required. So what is the total cost of the 50 products with GST and all the tax details? But the order is pending now. Let us log in as the admin or the employee. So let us log in as the employee or the admin and let us process the customized order of the customer. So now the admin has logged in under report in pending orders. By searching the name of that particular customer, we can see the delivery status is pending, that is, the order has not delivered it. Once the order is delivered, here it must be confirmed, and if it is under process, the admin can add it as under process or under transit also. So here now the admin has changed it as status as delivered. So the item is delivered to the customer. So now let us log out from the admin. So this is about the project online furniture shop. Thank you for watching the video. For any other queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.